Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to recover deleted photos on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first, check recently deleted folder, open the Photos application, tap Album, scroll down to recently deleted. If the photo is there, tap it and then tap Recover. You have to take note that you can recover photos within 30 days of deletion. Step 2, you can recover from iCloud backup or factory reset required. Only works if you had iCloud backup enabled before the photo was deleted. So what you're going to do here is you have to go to settings, go to transfer or reset iPhone. Erase all content and settings. Set up iPhone again and choose Restore from iCloud. Backup. Sign in to iCloud and select a backup dated before the photo was deleted and complete the setup and check your Photos application. Now, if you haven't backed up your photos, then the next thing to do is use third-party iPhone data recovery software. For photos not in backup or recently deleted, use trusted tools like iMovie, a phone rescue, TenorShare Alt Data, Doctor Phone, Data Recovery iOS, iMyFone DBack. All you have to do is to select it here, download and install the recovery tool on your computer, connect your iPhone, scan your iPhone or iTunes, iCloud backup, preview and recover the photos you need. So some tools require a paid license to recover files. So basically, these are just a few ways on how to recover deleted photos on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.